Hi there, I'm going to show in this video how to unlock Alcatel OT-3026G from Australia. As usual, we have here one locked sample. As you can see, it's requesting for the network SIM unlocking code. So in order to unlock it, I'm going to use Furiousgold box and the SPD service tool from the pack 2. So let's start by selecting the model. As you can see, our software supports all the other operations such as email, repair, relock, read memory, format the file system, write firmware and NAV, and of course remove SIM unlock. So in order to unlock it, we are going to remove the USB cable. We are going to reattach the battery or power of the phone, and we are going to press connect on the SPD service tool. So once the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to keep pressed on the green call key and insert the USB cable. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the unlocking process starts. We are going to select yes at the direct unlock question. Okay, the phone got unlocked in less than a minute. So let's check it. Let's power it on. As you can see, we have here Vodafone Romania running in this now unlocked phone. We have full signal. So thanks for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.